What is up, YouTube? As you can see here, we have the Galaxy Watch 3 in the 45mm and 41mm, the Galaxy Watch, and then we have the Gear S3 Frontier. I'm gonna go head to head and help you make a decision whether you're a Gear S3 Frontier user, deciding if you need to upgrade to either the Galaxy Watch or the Galaxy Watch 3, whether you're a Galaxy Watch user who wants to decide if the Galaxy Watch 3 has enough to offer to make you upgrade, or if you're a brand new smartwatch shopper and you're looking at Samsung watches, which have the more traditional smartwatch look, you want to know what they have to offer and if you should buy the Galaxy Watch 3, Galaxy Watch, or the Gear S3 Frontier. Now, I'll be honest, these are older and dated. They're gonna be discounted, and if you can even find the Gear S3 Frontier, it's probably gonna be secondhand, and that's probably gonna be similar case with the Galaxy Watch. Possibly, it may be still available, and if it is, it should be at a better price point. But the Galaxy Watch 3, they're in stock, they're ready to go, and they're the latest and greatest. So let's talk about the differences and what separate these things. There's a lot of technical differences as well as physical differences. So the first big physical difference with these brand new Galaxy Watch 3s is they made them thinner. A thinner version of the Samsung Galaxy Watch is so much more warranted because these watches are big, these watches are bulky, these watches have a nice weight to them, but that's a lot of what people love about them because they're like the traditional stainless steel watch. They're all made out of stainless steel. These are high quality premium watches that look like watches but are smart. So with the size reduction comes weight reduction as well as battery reduction, which we'll get into that later. I also will have a dedicated review video for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, as well as a 41mm versus 45mm. If you're closer to my build size and you wanna see which one might look better on your wrist, check out that video. Before we get into a little bit more on the changes from the Galaxy Watch 3 and so forth, let's talk about the releases on these. Gear S3 Frontier released in 2016 August, and the Mega Galaxy Watch was released in 2018 August. And obviously the brand new Galaxy Watch 3 just announced in August of 2020. Now, display size, these are all beautiful AMOLED Samsung displays. We got 1.3 inches on the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier, 1.3 inches on the Galaxy Watch, 1.4 inches on the Galaxy Watch 3, 45mm, and 1.2 inches on the 41mm Galaxy Watch 3. They're all beautiful screens. You're gonna be satisfied regardless of what size display you choose to go with. I talked about size and dimensions. Let's talk about weight. These two smartwatches weigh in at 63 grams. These are on the heavier side. These are on the bulkier side. These are the bigger smartwatches. On the 45mm, we're weighing in at 53.8 grams, while on the 41mm, we're weighing in at 48.2 grams. So if that matters to you, if you want a lighter smartwatch, you're gonna find that on the Galaxy Watch 3, as well as they're slimmer in comparison to their predecessors. All in all, we all know these are kind of like traditional watches. These still have a little weight and size to them, but picking the right size for you is important. That's why you should check out my 41mm versus the 45mm, because I go over that and I have a slap of reality in my reality. Like, I love the bigger 45mm in the color selection, which you get the black on black and the 45mm Galaxy Watch 3, or you can do the black bezel with the silver body. On the 41mm, you get the black bezel with the silver body or the Mystic Bronze. On the Galaxy Watch, we were only given the black face with the silver stainless steel body on the bigger size. But if you got the smaller size, you were able to get the black on black and so forth. So what made me happy is coming from my first Galaxy Watch, which was the Gear S3, which was black on black, which I desired in the Galaxy Watch, which I couldn't get because I wanted the bigger size and a bigger battery. I got here in the bigger size and bigger battery of the latest one, but I might have a reality check in size. We gotta see. I need you guys to help me decide. Go to my 41mm versus 45mm video and vote which size looks better on my wrist. All right, you guys, let's talk about memory. Now, as far as RAM, on the Gear S3, you're given 768 megabytes of RAM. Now on the Galaxy Watch, depending on which version you got, LTE or not, you can get up to 1.5 gigabytes of RAM, or I think it was the traditional 768 megabytes. Now on this newer one, the Galaxy Watch 3, we're getting 1 gigabyte of RAM. Now when we get into internal memory, now on these two versions of the Samsung smartwatch, as far as internal memory, you're only given 4 gigabytes of memory. But when we get on this brand new Galaxy Watch 3 internal memory, they've doubled it and we're given 8 gigabytes of internal memory. So if that matters to you, that's something to consider, and that's on the newer smartwatches. Now, if you're worried about the chipset, these are older. This has the Exynos 7270. This is from 2016. But if you grab any of these, they all have the Exynos 9B110 10 nanometer chip. So same processor amongst these. So from the Galaxy Watch to the Galaxy Watch 3, you aren't getting so much better of a processor, you're getting the same processor. That's something to consider. Now there's another technology that we have to talk about, which is Bluetooth, because that's how your devices are gonna connect. These two have Bluetooth 4.2. Now if you're a stickler for the latest and all technologies, then just know that the Galaxy Watch 3 are equipped with Bluetooth 5. Now all of these displays are covered in Gorilla Glass. You got Gorilla Glass 3 on the Gear S3 Frontier, Gorilla Glass DX Plus on the Galaxy Watch, and then you just have the Gorilla Glass DX on the Galaxy Watch 3. And also, speaking in newer technology and so forth, one of the selling points on the Galaxy Watch 3, which has yet to be updated on the actual physical devices at this point in time, but it's coming, is gonna be like the ECG reading and blood pressure monitor. But Samsung has to deliver on that, and we'll see if they will. But same thing happened with the Apple Watch. They didn't have it on release, and it eventually came. So we should see that on there. So that's another deciding factor feature-wise that might separate the Galaxy Watch 3 from the previous devices for you. Let's get the elephant out of the room. The biggest thing that the Galaxy Watches are known for is battery. The battery life on any Galaxy Watch that you get from Samsung trumps the Apple Watch by a long shot. And that's one of the biggest selling points for me. The lack of having to always charge your smartwatch every day is an extreme convenience and plus, and that's something you get with Samsung smartwatches. But in the new redesign, we have size reduction, which means the battery has been reduced. So knowing if the battery is gonna live up to what we've seen in predecessors or not, or close, I'm gonna give you that in the full review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 after using these devices over multiple days and testing it and pushing it to its limits. But let's just talk about the physical size in the battery. Now on the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier, we're given a 380 milliamp hour battery. Now when they dropped this here Mega Galaxy Watch, they gave us a 472 milliamp hour battery. By far one of the longest, if not the longest, smartwatch battery that I've used in the top tier smartwatch category, which I like to just label as Samsung and the Apple Watch. But this battery it's amazing, it's phenomenal. Multiple days of use. You also get multiple days of use on the Gear S3 Frontier, but that's extended on the Galaxy Watch. Now on the Galaxy Watch, this is where we take a reduction. 340 milliamp hour battery on the 45 millimeter, and then we drop down to a 247 milliamp hour battery on the 41 millimeter version. So the thing is, I have to really test these and stuff. I might give you a sneak peek since you're in this video and you rock with me, and I know you're gonna watch the review after this video. I know you subscribed and you turn on notifications and you really are here for my smartwatch guru content. I'm gonna tell you, I have gotten some multiple days on the 45 millimeter thus far. I still have to test the 41 millimeter. Now I have to put heavier use on the 45 millimeter and give you that. What we know Samsung for is great battery life, and you're getting that good battery life. You're definitely getting more battery life than the Apple Watch, but I have to compare it to the Galaxy Watch. When I do the full review, I will reference the battery life in comparison to these two in that review video. And I know y'all rock with me, so I gave you a sneak peek, man. Thank you for rocking with your boy. Smash that like button, let the algorithm know that this video is pure fire and absolute value. So another great thing just to note about all of these Galaxy Watches is they're cross-platform compatible, meaning you can use these on iPhones or Android devices that aren't Samsung. You just have to get the Galaxy wearable app or the Galaxy Watch app on the iOS platform. I do have a video coming where I will be pairing the 41 millimeter smartwatch with my iPhone so that I can show you what you get and what you don't get when you pair a Samsung Galaxy wearable smartwatch with the iPhone, and what that experience is like with the Galaxy Watch 3. I have this Galaxy Watch right now paired to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I will be pairing it to the Note 20 Ultra as soon as that comes in, but I also will pair it with another Android device, like maybe my Pixel 4a that I just got in, just to show you what you can get and what type of usage you can have with an Android device outside of. So smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss those videos. Now, the burning question. You might be a Samsung Galaxy S3 Frontier owner and you wanna know which one of these should you upgrade to. Should you just get the Galaxy Watch, that you can find possibly at a discounted price in comparison to these. Let's talk about price. The Galaxy Watch is discounted at this point too, but when it came out, it was in that $300 to $350 mark. But we have an increase this year, $400 for the 41 millimeter and $430 for the 45 millimeter. I don't know how I feel about the price point. It is what it is. But you're the S3 Frontier owner and you're trying to see, do I get the Galaxy Watch or do I go with the Galaxy Watch 3? I will tell you this. This is an old technology. This is 4 years old, but you know, it might be still cooking in goodness for you. But in all reality, at this point in time, you may be having battery charge issues. You may be having other problems. You may be dinged up. You may have cracks. You might be at your wit's end with the Galaxy S3 Frontier. And I think jumping into the Galaxy Watch 3 is a good, smooth upgrade for you. There's a pain point for Galaxy S3 Frontier owners that you're not gonna get on these, and that's when it comes to Samsung Pay. Samsung Pay is on all of these, but it's in a different form. On here, you have NFC and MST, which is the magnetic strip technology, which allows you to still use your Samsung Pay at a terminal that does not have Samsung Pay. That's how the MST work. A lot of Samsung fans absolutely love it, which it's not in these devices. But the world is going to NFC, and more places are having NFC terminals, so you're still able to use your smartwatches. And there's a lot of Samsung phones that still have MST technology within them, so you can use your phone over the watch. But I get it, that takes away the convenience. Either way you go on these, you're not gonna get the MST, so that's just something you have to swallow. That's a pill for you. If you want the mega crazy battery and you want that same size and feel, and you don't mind the weight, and you just want that same feel of your Galaxy S3 Frontier, because this is pretty much almost identical with the later, you know, sauce on it, then you might want to go Galaxy Watch. Now, if you want to take a jump to the new school of the Galaxy Watch 3, get the size reduction, the weight reduction, then the Galaxy Watch 3 is going to be an improvement for you as well. So I think jumping to either one of these, you're going to definitely feel an improvement, but the biggest improvement and change is going to happen here on the Galaxy Watch 3. Now, the even tougher question is the Galaxy Watch owners. What about this Galaxy Watch 3 is going to make me as a Galaxy Watch owner want to switch? That's a tough one, because if your Galaxy Watch is still good to you, still snappy, everything's running, it's still in good cosmetic condition, there's no snafus, then you might be good just chilling where you are, in all honesty. But if you got, you know, you done banged it up, like me, I broke the bottom glass under here, and I got this electric tape right here, which is not pretty, you know what I mean? I'm losing the whole function of the heartbeat sensor and so forth. So I kind of put my Galaxy Watch through some things, but it's still functional as far as what I need it for, and notifications and all that stuff. But when it comes to health, that's cut off due to me cracking the bottom. If you're like me and you kind of got some issues, and you may be at your wit's end with the big size and the bulk and the you know, the thickness of the Galaxy Watch, you want to try something different, and you're looking for the vibes, and you got it in your budget and it's feasible, then I see no reason why you shouldn't upgrade. The Galaxy Watch 3 is here, it's vibing. They got really nice trade-in credits that they're giving if you turn in your old Galaxy Watch, so you get some money off of this one. It's the no plastic on the bottom. That's a new redesign. It's just a nicer, more premium watch with these nice premium leather bands that it comes with. Performance so far has been great for me. I like the brand new Galaxy Watch 3. So I'll just leave it up to you. I shared that information. I kind of gave you what, you know, separates the three. We got all technical. We got into the specs. We focused on nothing but the watches. And I am your smartwatch guru. Smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, come back for more videos. The other videos should be live on the channel, so check them out. Check out the 41 millimeter versus the 45 millimeter. Check out the dedicated Galaxy Watch 3 review. Check out connecting to an iPhone, so using your Galaxy Watch with the iPhone, as well as I'm gonna show you guys a brand new updated customization video so you can get dope Rolex watch faces like this on your brand new Galaxy Watch 3. So that video is coming, as well as connecting the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 with other Android devices outside of Samsung. You already know I'm your smartwatch guru. Peace, love, and smartwatches, baby.